Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is BTC. You're watching the jumper. And today we're gonna be continuing on our class number 3. How to perform transactions on Binance, like how to trade on Binance. Okay. So today we're gonna be treating all the possible types of trade you can perform on Binance. And by the end of this video, you should be able to trade with Binance. And by the end of this video, you should be able to trade with Binance. Make your fortune out of it. Okay. So just like you guys now, by now you guys be able to know how to set up the Binance app, how to perform transactions. So without wasting, if you have not, if you be able to do that, I think you should go back and watch our videos on that. So let's just dive down to business and get straight to what you wanted to do. So when you log into the app, you go straight to this trade option. You click when you hover over the trade, you have your spot, margin, P2P, convert, trading bot, and block trading. Okay. What is spot trading? Spot trading is basically buying low and selling high, like where you will just buy a particular, let me say buy BTC at 24K and you say that 30K. That is spot trading. So let's look at it. You click on spot trading, it will take you. Okay, this is my spot trading dashboard. As you can see, this is a BTC slash USDT slash chart. Okay, so this is just the welcome information that they welcome to blah blah blah. Just click on it and you remove it. Click on it and remove it. Okay, now this is a chart. This is the BTC chart so far, and how it's moving. So and these are what they call order book. The prices that have been set by people. As you can see, this is other book, this is other book, this is other book. So sorry guys, I'm having a little bit cough. Okay. So all you just have to do if you want to buy right now, just go straight to first before you buy, you have to look at the chart to know whether the BTC is going up or going down. As if you are good at technical analysis, analyze where the market is heading to so that you don't end up buying and getting a tom tom. Okay. Now you have your you can buy with this is the spot trading here and you have your height. Okay, let me write this so I can see clearly. Okay, you have your spot trading. You can buy with limit order. When you buy with limit order, if you click on limit order, you will set a particular amount you used to buy. Okay, so I forgot, guys. My phones are in futures wallet, so basically my spot trading wallet is empty. That's why you are seeing this notification here. When you click on limit order is where you can buy certain particular. Let me see. With limit order now, I can set to buy BTC at 29K. So my order can't go to until BTC hit 29K. If BTC hit 29K, my order will automatically fill in. Okay. While in market order, you once you use market order, you just buy BTC automatically using the market price of BTC at that spot. Okay. While in stop limit, this stop limit now means you just like how I'm gonna put it now. Spot limit, turning stop loss and blah blah blah. Stop limit is placing a stop loss. Like okay, I want to buy BTC at 25K. But if I purchased at 25K and BTC eventually drop to 20K, please sell me off. Okay. You set in your stop loss and the amount you want, the particular price you want to be sold off, which could either be take profit or stop loss. Okay. So you can set that if I buy BTC at 25K, if it gets to 30K, sell off and take my profit out of it. So that is what stop limit is all about. Then in next in our video we have next in our transaction trading is we have a they call it cost trading or futures trading. Okay, here you as you guys can see, welcome to Binance margin, blah blah blah, account transfer, borrow, trade, we pay. You take the quiz before you start. You can't just start without take the quiz. They will ask you some questions to make sure that you know what you're doing. Okay, so I will just keep it. Not now. Okay, now And this cost trading is just where you trade it's basically like futures. You borrow money, you trade, you buy with 2x leverage, 3x leverage, 4x leverage, you buy BTC at social amount, and if BTC goes up by 10%, extend of your initial capital, you sell off and you make your profit out of it. That is cost trading. Next one is isolated. Isolated is where you're using isolated leverage. Okay, so you buy BTC with social leverage and you see yourself to take your quiz and everything. You have to take it, don't forget. When you buy BTC with social leverage and you sorry guys, and you sell off when you get to social amount, just like you are trading at with borrowed funds. With borrowed funds, okay, specifically. Then the next in our list is futures trading. Okay, let's look at futures trading basically in full. As you can see, this is that margin trading here, which is what we look at. So if you click on this margin trading, you will ask to the same thing. You predict the price of BTC, whether it's going up or it's going down. If BTC is going up, you make your money. If it's going down, you make your money. Why you use leverage to trade it? Okay. The next one here is P2P. P2P is basically what is everybody's familiar with, where from means of buying your BTC because of those in Nigeria, the challenges we are having due to CBN regulation and other things. So in P2P, you can either buy or sell. Sorry guys, if you buy here, if you click on buy, that means you are buying BTC from anybody. You can buy from anybody right here. Okay, this is on. I'm actually on. Okay, you can either buy BTC from anybody here. Select the currency you want. This is a USDT, BTC, BUSDT. Notification everywhere. BUSDT, BNB, ETH, DAI, and Shiba. Okay, so if you want to buy BTC, you click on BTC. It will vendors list of vendors that are selling BTC will pop up. You select the currency you want to. This is you. I can choose to select Naira if I'm from Nigeria. Okay, you select your Naira, your currency you want to use, which is Naira. Okay, select Naira. Sorry guys, okay, confirm. This is BTC. The amount this person is selling, person is selling is BTC at 25 million. So you can buy from 4K worth of BTC to 26 million, 26K worth of BTC. This pen is selling at social amount. You can buy so worth of this, so worth of this. And it goes on like that, like that, and like that. These are lists of people that are selling their BTC. Okay, so you can buy from any of them. Then next one is sell. Okay, let me tell you, you want to sell your BTC. You can, so you want to buy BTC. Okay, you can come here and buy from any of these people that are selling. Okay, these amount that are selling, so you can try to buy from them. Why buy is if you want to buy, if you want to sell, you can contact any of these and they'll buy from you. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, then you, just like I said earlier, select what you want to buy, whether it's Solana, you can even buy Naira, in Naira. Okay, you can buy Naira from here and stuff like that. Okay, the next one is this is block, this is cash. If you want to buy cash, okay, that is it. Then the next thing on trade we have right here on trade is block trading. You can see I'm both trading. Convert. Convert. We treated in our last class where you convert your currency from one page to another. And see under Binance, you cannot say that to Binance. Okay, that is conversion. So just you might see someone want to buy a Ethereum and what you have in your wallet is BTC. You can just convert it to Ethereum and sell it to the person. Okay. So this is just basically all on trading on Binance. It's not something that is very, very difficult. It's something that is very, very simple if you really know what you're doing. Okay. So I really appreciate you guys for staying with me and to the end of this video. I will that you guys be able to trade from what you have seen so far. But in case if you're a part of it you don't understand, you can just kind of not hesitate to shit me or just shut me up and I will definitely reply you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please, if you are watching for the first time, I really advise that you subscribe to the channel and also like our videos so that you get to see it. Thank you guys.